welcome to our first interview at this year's Electronica show. We're, very welcome at Linear Technologies booth, so thank you very much for this opportunity. I would like to start with Bob. You have been hopefully at the show several times previously. Linear is known more or less for always having exciting stuff on the booth to look at and to know about. So what is it this year that you're showing?
We're showing the developments that we've made in the last 2 years, and some of them are very exciting. We've got a 20-bit A to D converter that's 1 ppm linear. That's really difficult to do when you consider that even resistors and other components are not 1 ppm linear. And that's all in silicon. We've got temperature measuring devices. We've got a device, the 2983, which will take any type of sensor, thermocouple, resistive sensor, thermistor, and provide a linear temperature output. It's thermocouples to bits, take 8 sensors on the input, and it's got an accuracy equivalent to lab instruments. So you can take this, add a display to it, and you've got a lab instrument for measuring temperature. This is a product that probably was bounced around for the last 20 years, and it took linear technology to turn it into silicon.
And that's the most exciting thing you've got here, I assume.
No, we've got a lot of exciting things here.
Okay, so we wouldn't have time to actually cover all of them, I guess.
One of the other exciting things is we've got what we call silent switchers. Okay, when you have a switching regulator, the direction people are going with switching regulators, keep making them faster. The faster you go, the more EMI that a switching regulator puts out. So, and it's the EMI that's up in the RF area that causes a problem, because it's really difficult to get rid of, because it couples to boards, it couples to everything else, just like a radio signal.
Yeah.
And we've got a silent switcher, which is a combination of circuit and the layout of it, which doesn't have that high frequency EMI that drives other people nuts.
Well, then I wish you the best of luck with convincing everyone else that you've got the best products on the market. But I want to talk a little bit to Lothar as well about linear as such. So how is actually the market looking for linear? Good this year?
We're excited to be here at Electronica this year. It's hard to believe it's only been 2 years since we've been here last. Bob talked about some of the new products we're showcasing here today, and these products are well suited for the markets that we're focused on, and that's the automotive and the industrial markets. And Linear as a company is highly focused on those markets. 43% of our sales is into the industrial market, 19% of our sales is into automotive market, and for us, the fastest growing part of our business is analog electronics that sell into the automotive market. So we're showing some great products here today. I think the company as a whole is, from a product and a market positioning, is as well focused as we've probably ever been, and we're excited to have a lot of people come here and look at these products today.
So business is doing good?
Business is doing well for us.
Good. And you were mentioning automotive as being a very important market sector that you're catering for. Is there sort of a long-term or short-term goal to expand market share significantly in that area?
That's a good question. You know, for us, automotive, if you went back a few years, was only sort of low single-digit percentages of our sales. Presently, it's almost 20%. It's our fastest growing market segment, and that's being driven by just the proliferation of electronics that you're seeing in cars. So it's not just the hybrids and the electric cars, it's the general improvement of cars and all the improvements of cars is going to come through the electronics. The fuel efficiency, the safety, the comfort, all of that is going to come through electronics, and we're pretty well positioned there right now.
We're at the biggest European fair at the moment. Electronica always has been a very important event. Now, automotive, lots of automotive companies like BMW, Mercedes, and to name the German big ones, they're all moving to India and Asian with their production, with their manufacturing. Will you have to cater for that as well, or can you supply chips and components from the footprint that you have already?
Yeah, we have our own internal manufacturing, but what we do have is we have a worldwide sales and application organization so that we can service our customers no matter what geography it is. We have 5 or 6 sites in China, we have many across the United States and Europe, so we have a very capable technical organization, and it's not just as simple as, oftentimes a design gets done in Germany, it gets shipped somewhere else to be manufactured, and then it gets shipped somewhere else where you need to have customer support. So you need to provide, very good technical support for our products, anywhere in the world, and we can do that.
Plus, we like coming from Munich.
It's the beer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Exactly. Me too. Then thank you very, very much. I wish you a successful fair and see you in 2 years.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.